Okay, before we first get into cloud syncing, I wanted to highlight our new print preview screen. In the bottom left, you see the camera is still there where they can add pictures and photos to their printouts. In the middle, the property details where the client can put in their information. But what I wanted to mention that's kind of the segue into cloud syncing is the new icon in the bottom right. It has print, save, and email. And printing is going to be using AirPrinting, but saving is what I wanted to mention because where does it save? So now we're using cloud syncing to save all documents so that they can be opened from any device. So if a realtor has an iPhone and they save an estimate, they can now go to their iPad or their desktop, and when they go to open up their estimates, everything that's saved will be shared within their 5 devices. Okay, secondly, I want to talk about custom closing costs. For years, realtors who use Palm Agent the most go through and fine-tune some of the fees. They may put in like a transaction fee of $175. So what we've done now is if a realtor loads any custom fees into any of their 5 versions of the app, it will sync using the cloud. So if they add a transaction fee to one device, next time they open their desktop, that transaction fee will be there. And lastly, and most importantly, we're using cloud syncing for the real estate agent's customized printout. You know, a lot of times realtors will have their favorite picture or their company logo on a desktop or on their iPhone or on the iPad. And it was cumbersome and tedious for them to email back and forth to try to set that up on every device. So now we're using the cloud. As long as they've logged into one of their devices and loaded their picture and loaded their logo, we're going to sync that with every device. So no matter where they send an estimate from, it's always going to be customized with their information.